How to fix social button not showing on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Well, you also need to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you are in this page, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of Report a Problem. Click on it. It will land you on this interface. Once again, scroll all the way down and click on Submit a Report. It will redirect you to this page. In this section, all you want to do is enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. You can simply write that your social button is not showing up and you want this issue to get fixed as soon as possible. Once you have written those things, tap on Submit at the bottom. Once the report has been submitted, within 24 hours, the TikTok support will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix the social button not showing up on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.